flight mode off. It is not permissible to retrieve any items of baggage from the rear of the aircraft. For those passengers with premium hand luggage, please remain at the foot of the aircraft stairs to collect your bags. Although we are on the ground for your safety and the safety of those around you, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Take care when opening lockers as bags may have moved throughout the flight. Once the seatbelt sign has been switched off, you'll be leaving through the forward door. We recommend you use the handrail to assist you safely onto the tarmac. Before you leave, remember to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. Smoking is not permitted whilst disembarking and throughout the airport. And ensure not to use your mobile phone or electronic devices between the aircraft and the terminal. On behalf of QantasLink and the team, welcome to Launceston and thank you for flying with us. We hope you have enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once again, thank you and have a lovely day.
Go back.